Hi and welcome back to a new episode of Doc64. Do you remember when I tried to bleach my 1541 floppy disk drive? Worked not so well, but let's see if we can do it a little better. Like this, for example. Painting and not bleaching is the magic word. How I did that? Let's see in the next few minutes. First, I peel off the Commodore logo, because when I tried to peel off the protective film, the logo was damaged. You see here, parts of the logo got stuck on the protective film. What do we need first? Some water, some isopropanol, and at least some sandpaper with a graining of 400. Tear off a part of the sandpaper and dip it into the water. Then sand down all areas of the plastic parts. Don't forget any little corner, because otherwise paint will not adhere properly. The water is needed to make the sandpaper even finer. Otherwise it's too rough. Wash off the plastic parts under running water, or like I did it here. Then you can use compressed air to dry the plastic part in every little corner. Bye bye warranty seal. But don't worry, it's for a good cause. Here you can see the material abrasion. After sanding the plastic part, it looks better than before. So perifractic theory seems to be correct. Have a look on the keys U and P. They are obviously yellowed. And this is after 20 hours in direct sunlight. If you want to know more about bleaching in direct sunlight, then watch Perifractic's video. Greetings to you, Chris, by the way. Use IPA to get rid of the rest of grease and dirt. Then dry roughly with a cloth. Then blow off the remaining water with some compressed air. So that the paint adheres well, you have to use plastic primer. That's the preparation for the later sprayed paint. For the primer it's enough to apply one coat. Spray the primer from every angle. And now we do the same steps for the front plate, and don't forget the bottom cover. I will not show the back cover, because I think you know what to do. And that's the result after drying half an hour. And now it's time for the color. I here use acrylic car paint. But how to use the right tint? I here use the color palette from the paint manufacturer. My C64 matched quite good with the color code 46000. My 5041 matched quite good with the color code 45450, but I wanted to have the same color as my C64. Therefore I chose the other color. If you have the older 1541 or the C64 bread bin, you can use, for example, 46420 or the RAL Code 1019. In some, I sprayed 3 color layers. Between every layer I waited minimum 1 hour, so that the paint can dry and is ready for the next layer. Like with the primer, spray the color from every single angle and take care of the vents. And that's the result after drying 24 hours. Hopefully the paint will last and be sturdy. Do you have experience with painting plastic housings? Then please write into the comments. Hopefully you find this video interesting and helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye bye and have a good time. Your Doc64.